Welcome back, YouTube. This is episode 2 of Half-Life Alyx. Last time we walked around a bit, we shot some things, got this cool 1911. It's pretty fancy. What brand is this? This is Le Clarion? Got like a little skeleton with a trumpet. You see out my right eye. I should look at my right eye. Yeah, the little skeleton with a trumpet and like a little cape or skirt or something and some grass. That's pretty cool. Little sun in the background, hill. Actually, the details in this game are really nice. I never really look at things this close. Let's just inspect our gun for a second here. Automatic, spelled with a Q for some reason. Calibre. This is like a French gun or something. 11mm 43. It's a weird caliber. 11mm, Jesus. Actually, I wonder what 45 cal is in millimeter. I don't know that off the top of my head. Could be 45 caliber. Well, I know 10mm is 40 caliber, so that would make sense. 50 caliber's like 12.7mm, so. Get fucked, nerd.
So anything happened when you cut out?
You're not gonna believe this, but
Wait till
I
they
ran
jump.
into a
Come on, jump up.
A vortical? What was he doing down there?
Damn it.
hiding. I think he escaped from the Combine.
What did he say?
You never meet a Vortigaunt? He said, "Frisbee Vortigaunt."
Get popped. We have a battery receptacle. We'll have to find a battery for that. That is glued to the table. Unfortunate, they don't usually do that in this game. There's our battery. I'm shocked there's not a resin hiding in here. I imagine there probably is, I just don't see it. Oh well. I really don't want to spend too much time looking for resins. I'd rather just keep moving. My first playthrough I played of this, I was very fussy about that.
Give me a head crab to eat.
Oh, great! What did it taste like? Tell me how you...
I did not eat it.
I didn't eat it.
Right. Of course you didn't. No, that's the right decision.
Controller batteries low. Our controller may die in this playthrough. Or this episode, even. I usually just wait till it dies because it starts saying it's low pretty early. Let go. I guess I gotta lower him. No. Go one more crank.
Yeah.
One more crank?
Let's get this shotgun
That should be good.
and get out of here.
Got it.
Hurry up and load that thing. It's getting louder.
Portions left.
There we go. Got a lot of them.
We did it.
I love this gun.
2 shells left.
I do want to use the shotgun quite a bit. I think it's going to be one of our better guns. If I remember correctly, This game adjusts how much ammo you get based on how much you use. So like, if you try and hoard ammo, it'll just stop giving you ammo. So like in the past I've done that where I just won't use the better guns, I'll just use a pistol until I run out, and you'll never run out of ammo really. I mean, you probably will, but if you start to run out, it'll give you more ammo. So you shouldn't try and hoard it. You should just use as much as you want. Question is, what is the correct way? Because we want to go the incorrect way first. This is incorrect, I believe, so we might find some loot here. Don't see anything, though. Huh. Oh well. I just feel like these should open. I don't think they do, though. Oh, it does. It does open. Nothing in it, though. Bunch of shells on top of it. That's useful. So our shotgun's up to...
3 shells left.
What does this hold? Holds 7. I don't know if that's including the chamber, if it's like 6 plus 1, or if it's 7 plus 1. I have no idea. We will use the shotgun. I'm not going to hoard shells, but I'm also not going to waste it. I'm not going to shoot everything with a shotgun, you know? Does he have? He does not. Oh, he does. Okay, we're going to shotgun this one. And then we're going to shoot this one's green. I'm going to shoot his hand. Damn it, give me your hand. Whatever, I missed it too much. We will upgrade the shotgun for sure. How much resin are we at? 27?
Last shell.
Do we want to squash bug friend? We don't need to. We could put him in there, and he can just live in there for now. Let's see if we can get any shotgun upgrades. I might wait. Because I want to get like the better stuff. I'm a frugal spender. I prefer to get the good stuff. Like save up for good stuff rather than just waste money on garbage. So laser sight is a decently good one. Double shot. I don't think we need double shot. Autoloader could be cool. That's additional capacity. Grenade launcher is really what I want. So we need 40. The reason grenade launcher is so good is it makes it easier to fire grenades accurately. And it gives you an additional grenade slot. Normally you only have your wrist slots, but with that you have 1 additional slot on the gun for a grenade. So we could carry like 3 grenades. We could have like 1 in each wrist and 1 in the gun. And grenades are pretty effective, so I'd love to carry around 3 grenades.
I'm out.
That's unfortunate. Where are we going? Where are we going? I thought this was progress, but I don't see a way through. So I guess our goal is to get 40 resin, which we are at 31. 40 will allow us to get the grenade launcher, which would be very nice.
Too dark. You'll need a flashlight.
I think you're right.
Looks like we're about to get a flashlight then. Oh my god, he threw the bottle at us. It's hard to hit there. There we go. You hit that green spot, it kills them instantly. But they move around so like not really chaotically, they're pretty like patterned or whatever. But they're moving and it's kinda hard. Oh shit, I didn't even see you. Sneaky little fuck. Blends in with all these little things. Are these them as well? No, these are just like shells. Okay, we want to be thoughtful here because sometimes this can do bad things. So that's going to repower that. What else is it going to do? It's going to power this. We don't want that. It'll probably turn that off. Okay. God damn it. You fucking moved me. Our flashlight is on that guy. We'll be getting that in just a moment. But before we do that, what was this way? Locked. Interesting. I don't know if you were supposed to do that before. That's probably meant to be done later. We'll probably come out that door in a little bit.
Whew. It is dark.
Everything all right?
Nope, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, we're down to 3 shots with our shotgun. We should save those for critical moments. We'll use our handgun for a little bit here. Attach flashlight to gravity glove. Which one? Oh, that one.
Oh, thank God.
There's some shotgun shells. Nope, I just spit my mag out.
Last 4 shots.
Okay, we got a little bit of ammo gun. Those are... Sounds like a tougher one. Smoky! These ones are like a darker color and they appear to be more durable. So perhaps we'll shotgun them. Did lose health there, damn.
This is fine.
Of course it's fine. The dark is just like the light.
Last portion.
Just because you can't see doesn't mean the world changes all of a sudden.
It's really dark. Russ,
Yeah?
can you just talk
About what?
about anything? Literally anything.
Well, I think that given our situation, your irrational fear of the dark is actually quite appropriate. You know, I can give you easily 100 reasons to be terrified.
Okay, that was my fault. I'll be more specific next time. Big fan of this flashlight.
And it, not unlike yourself, is also sensitive to the dark.
Oh yeah?
Meaning it should go on automatically when the lights go out.
Oh, nice.
Here's that thing we figured out earlier. We got that a little bit early. Make this to get through here. Oh, that's empty. Ah, falling. I got stuff IRL that's in my way. Need to like clear out my play space a little better. Spray some bullets down range. A lot of enemies.
All right, Russ. Really need you to talk again.
Absolutely. Be specific.
Before. What was life like before the Combine?
Ah, excellent. Alyx, have you ever heard of a club sandwich?
Nope, not once.
Right. To make a club sandwich, you need to start with bread. Not from a bread line, from a bakery across the street. Baked that day, okay? You add tomatoes, lettuce, not vegetable paste, fresh. Then you add bacon. That's from an animal we used to call the pig. You toast the bread and you put all that inside it.
You guys had all that? That's insane.
It is, and I'm not done. Then you add a second sandwich on top of the first one. You put ham in it, also from a pig, and turkey from an animal we used to call the turkey, and more tomato, more lettuce, and a bunch of other things I'm forgetting. It was 6 inches tall and weighed a pound, and had a dozen ingredients from 5 different continents. It was the most impossible food item you could imagine in any age before ours.
Wow.
It's
I know,
crazy
right?
to think how
That is... Wow.
we can do
Thanks,
all that
Russ.
stuff.
You're welcome, Alyx.
Actually, I probably need to squish this guy. Because we are hurt. We're not that hurt. But we probably should. Yeah, we'll let him live. We're not that hurt. We will not, however, let this guy live. Enjoy that. Give me any goodies? Nah. Oh well, it was worth a try. Let's see. I guess we're going down here now. I'm gonna use this to kill somebody. Wherever the next. We got a couple of them in there. Bit of a waste. That's a big one. Drop him quick. He's one of them dark colored ones that has extra health for some reason. Not really aiming. I probably should use my sights. There we go. Mum, mum, mum. Not much here to loot. This'll come in handy. That'll come in handy too. There we go. Explosive barrels are quite nice. Just get to one-shot these guys, don't even have to screw around with them. There's gotta be some resin hiding here, though. We're probably knocking it all around with our explosions. Oh well. Loading screen. Hopefully we don't crash. I think we survived it. How are we doing on recording time here? 21 minutes. Probably do another bit. Okay, what's in here? Yeah. Well, I'm recording this on...
Wait, is that a dead Combine soldier?
Yeah. When you guys were off sealing the reactor, I saw the Combine moving supplies in here.
Is
So,
now.
I guess they're interested in this place again.
Right, we'll keep an eye out. Something's definitely up.
Anywho, I'm recording this video on... What day is it? Check the date on my phone if I can. I don't know why my phone doesn't... I have to actually unlock it to see the date. It's kind of weird. It doesn't tell you on the... October 8th. It is currently October 8th. It is a Tuesday. It's a very exciting day for me. Because many a true
Alyx,
nerd...
manhack, watch out!
See it.
Many a true nerd just... yesterday, last night, he... If you don't know, that's a YouTuber. He announced the results of the poll. He will be releasing his first episode of Morrowind today. So if anyone here enjoys Morrowind, there will be a playthrough from Many a True Nerd coming out very shortly. Probably already out once this video that I'm recording releases. I'm very excited to watch that later tonight when he releases his first episode.
Okay, so right now, what it's like to live on Earth on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd say we're at a 2.
Yep, could always get worse.
What would you rate it before the Combine showed up?
Ooh, that's a toughie. I don't know. Good day? I'd say 6. Yeah, strong 6.
6? That's not great.
Now, that's life, Alyx. You know, it's not always great.
Well, maybe we get the Combine offer and we can shoot for like an 8. You know?
Ooh, an 8. Yeah, that really would be nice. Really nice.
Doing pretty good on ammo. Should probably use the shotgun more. I think I'll adjust shotgun usage depending on our ammo needs. So we have to do memory here. So I can memorize a couple of these. And then I'll just have to figure out the rest. There we go. I just memorized 2 and then I just guessed the rest of them. I really don't know if it's worth it opening drawers. It's such a pain. They have stuff sometimes, but it's... You can see like all 5 of those had nothing. This one did. This opens, I remember. Aha! We're running really high on pistol ammo. It's also Tuesday, which means that Blind Wave is reacting to Naruto, and they're going to release a new Naruto episode today. They're currently in the Pain arc. Very excited to watch that as well. It's going to be quite a good time.
Oh, holy. Eesh.
Make sure he's done. This could be useful, as in I will use it right now on YouTube, because they might drop something good. Sometimes when you kill them, they give you good things. I don't really feel like wasting pistol ammo, but like right there, I got a shotgun. Awesome. I'll kill that one just because he's in the way. Nothing. I don't know if this is progress or that way is. Hoping this is the optional way. Yeah, we need to use the shotgun more. We got a lot of shells now. And we're up to almost 40 resin. We're gonna get the grenade launcher soon too. Very exciting. So yeah, we just need one more resin. Oh, that's fun. Got my shotgun out, so you know. Fuck them.
Attention, please. Access to this block is not permitted. Local security deployed and designated to prosecute.
Prosecute? I don't know if that was prosecution. That seemed more like fucking murder to me. There's our last resin. Okay. Get out of my way. Now we just gotta find a upgrade machine. Whoa, dude. Chill your titties. There we go. I normally work on Tuesdays, but I'm not working today because I'm like lower on the seniority ranking, and whenever we have, like this week we only have 2 people on vacation, so they don't need me as much, which is fine with me. I'll work as little as possible. I'm a pretty frugal person in general. I don't really need a ton of money.
To receive this message is to be in civil code violation.
Might be laid off quite a bit this week. They're locked in there. Can I shoot through this? Yes. Go ahead and nuke them before I open the door. Why can't I get this out of there? There we go. I don't see anything of value in here. Oh, it's that. We're solving puzzles before we even find the puzzles. I remember we need this crank for like a different thing here. Get out the way. Take this. Is that a black one? No, it's a white one. Oh, there's the puzzle. Down there. We're not gonna do that right now. We're gonna go explore out here. I'm pretty sure there's more stuff out here. I don't want to be super thorough, but I do want to like at least get a quick eyeball on everything. I need to make some food soon. I'm getting hungry. I think after I finish recording this, I'm going to take a shower and then I'm going to make some cheesy chicken rice. That's what I'll make. Should be pretty tasty. Well, I guess we're moving on. I don't see anything. Check these lockers. They might have something. Yeah, I don't know if this is the best VR game of all time, but it is a good game for sure. Don't get me wrong, but I've got a lot more hours in like Blade and Sorcery or H3 VR than this. Although I will admit that this is more of a like story-based game, and those are more.
What are you gonna do?
Sandboxy.
Going full production mode on the Russells, of course.
Oh, of course. You'll be sitting on a landmine.
Gold mine. Yep. So here's the plan.
Sitting on a
Conservative
landmine?
estimate, I figure 1 year to get the world unconquered by the Combine, get them off the planet. So that's year 1. Then another year to mass produce the Russells. Although, just quietly, we will need to rebuild society first, you know, to get some basic infrastructure, jobs, money, that sort of thing. Otherwise people won't be able to buy them, you know. So, yeah, 3-year plan. Let's slot the infrastructure thing in for year 2.
Oh, yeah, definitely. You're gonna want to put that in year 2.
No explosions in here. This is like a no explosion zone, as you can see from all the. I'm probably gonna mention it in a second, I'm sure. Might be a no gun zone in general. So I think we just gotta avoid these guys.
Getting dark again.
Kind of hard when it's so dark. Okay, free of all that. So we need the lever. We've got a lock with these things behind it. That's dangerous.
Oh, careful, careful!
I got it. There's what we need. That's locked.
So, this whole 3-year
That looks like a terrible fate.
You think you'd have a job for me?
Job? Alyx, you invented the Alyx. Of course you can have a job.
We could be partners.
Oh, well, there would be stock options. 5 to 10 year vesting period, obviously. Could be very lucrative for you, Alyx, in the long term.
I don't know what any of that meant, but sounds good, partner.
We're gonna go shotgun here.
Sounds good. Alyx?
Someone fucks with us, I want him to die quickly. I don't want to screw around with this area. Very careful with my positioning here. There's loot there. That guy's a problem. There's loot there. Oh man, so much loot. Can I grab that from here? I can. Can I grab this from here? I also can. Okay, let's go Yes, we're gonna like blast this guy in the face. I think I'm gonna leave Bug Friend behind. We're just gonna put that in our wrist. That was the original Bug Friend, the one, like the first loose one you can collect. We've been carrying him for a little while here. We're not full health. I could use a syringe, but I'd rather not. Okay. Gotta get past this thing. I should have room. Famous last words. Trying to keep my... Oh no. Stop that shit. Okay.
3 shells left.
Well, we got this at least. Cost us a bit, but we got there. There it is. Okay. Whew. That was pretty stressful, going through all that explosion darkness. Well, back to the sun, the sky, open, fresh air. See if we can find some resin hiding over here. It's like a target shooting, or what are they?
Russ, these guys have automatic weapons.
They're alien commandos. Of course they have automatic weapons. We'd have them too, but combine weapons are gene-coded, so out of luck. Unless you find one that's unbonded, or you're open to some minor genetic
We're
modification.
fucked.
I'm good, Russ. I'm just gonna roll with these genes that I've got.
Okay. We're pretty low on shoddy ammo, but we got a lot of pistol ammo, so we don't have to be too careful. Surprised I haven't found any resin. I mean, maybe I did. I don't remember finding any. I'm pretty forgetful sometimes, though. Damn. Here we go. We can get the grenade launcher. Awesome.
Last 2 shells.
This thing is all bugged out. Oh no. There it goes. Real quick. Yeah, we're gonna go with the shotgun, and we're gonna go with the grenade launcher. That. Pretty expensive, but it'll be worth it. Oops. Yeah. So now I got the grenade launcher. Tweet. So you just push that forward. Wait, what? Oh, did it unchamber us? Oh, the fucking... We don't have the laser sight yet. We want the laser sight too. I was trying to see the laser turn on. We don't even have the laser. Yeah, we want the laser for this one for sure. It'll help us aim the grenade and it'll help us aim the shotgun. That'll be better.
Combine do know how to upgrade a gun. I'll give them that.
So now we have this as our like default aim. We have like this big circle that changes size depending on whatever to kind of show you the spread of the shell. And then if you push that forward, you get this nice like arced blue line that tells you where the grenade's going to go. Should work pretty well. Can you see us? I think he saw us. He's kind of looking. Ow. I think we got him. We could squish Bug Friend. Probably should squish Bug Friend, but I think we'll try to let him live. Let me quickly save though, because this is probably spicy here. I think I'm just gonna go like hard.
Fairview Junction, we're here!
Oh my!
This was it! Get down!
Well, we have cover, so as long as I'm careful, I think we'll be fine. This music's pretty fucking dramatic, though. I don't know. Is there more, or is it just the two? I don't want to walk out here and get shot. See nobody. I guess we proceed. Oh, there's some more. Kick the cat again. That one still had a bullet in it, didn't it? Oh, it did. Try to shoot one more before I reload. Got him.
I think that's the last of them.
Good, because we don't have much time.
Not too bad. We'll use one of these syringes in our wrists to heal before too long. I'm going to try and spare our bug friends as much as possible. But I'm going to keep the syringes until we see something else I want. Like if we have like a third thing we want to pick up, that's when I'll use one of them. Or if we get like really hurt, you know. We're only a little hurt, we'll be fine.
There's a control station override nearby.
Interesting. So we can get through here, but what is this way then? Resin. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay. Let's see, how long have I been recording? 46 minutes. I think we're going to call it here. Yeah, this will be the end of episode 2. Thank you all for watching this series. I intend to continue. I'm going to go make some food though, and then I will probably record another one of these. But I'll see you all in the next one.